Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Civic gas door. First, identify the exact problem, whether it's a stuck hinge or a faulty latch. Next, gather your tools, which might include a small screwdriver, a plastic trim removal tool, and some silicone lubricant. Always begin by thoroughly inspecting the area around the fuel door for any visible obstructions or debris that could be preventing proper operation. This initial check can often reveal simple solutions. Once you've cleared any debris, focus on the hinge itself. Carefully examine it for any visible damage such as bends, cracks, or rust. If the hinge appears stiff, gently try to move it by hand to assess its range of motion. Next, test the spring mechanism. It should provide consistent tension to help the door open. If it feels weak, a replacement might be needed. Finally, apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant to the hinge pivot points for smoother action. Now, let's address the latch mechanism, which is crucial for keeping the door securely closed. Locate the latch and inspect it closely for any signs of wear, such as chipped plastic or a misaligned pin. If the latch isn't engaging properly, you might be able to gently adjust its position using a small screwdriver. However, if the latch is visibly broken or severely worn, the most effective solution is often to replace the entire component to ensure reliable function. After completing your repairs, perform a few final checks. Open and close the gas door several times to ensure it operates smoothly and latches securely without any sticking or resistance. Regular cleaning of the fuel door area, removing dirt and grime, can prevent future issues and keep the mechanism working well. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Also, for a fresh-smelling ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.